Hi guys, it's Julie here from Renovating Made Easy, coming to you with an update on the villa renovation that I'm currently doing. So the painter has been here and painted all the walls, window frames, doors, skirtings, ceilings, painted the the fireplace as well, which is really good. He's still got to come back and finish off some stuff, like the front door, which he hasn't painted. Not really sure why he chose to not finish that, but it's all good. We've got good communication, so that's fine. We've had the kitchen cabinets delivered, so that's exciting, and they'll start to be installed next week. As you can see here, we removed a wall. You can sort of see a little bit on the floor there, but we removed the wall between the kitchen and the dining just to open this area up, because it is a small villa. Wanted to keep it as visually open as possible. So we kept the wall here with the archway in it because you can see through. So it's not like a solid wall, but at least it gives a wall for furniture placement, and also because it's a step down, just sort of made sense to have a wall there. Coming through, you might as well just have a quick look in the laundry while we're here. So we've got the floor tiles delivered, and the tile will be back tomorrow. We're getting was going to be 1200 high wall tiles, but he's just kept it under the power point there, so it's about 1100 high, but that'll be okay. So coming through here, we'll have vinyl planks on the floor. Master bedroom, we've put new doorknobs on the door, door handles on the doors, and we've got little knobs on the cupboard doors. So door handle going into the ensuite, and nothing much has happened here since the demolition. But it's really nice. You can already start to feel the difference because all the painting has been done. Everything just feels fresh and clean. Feels more like a brand new building site actually, with the concrete floors and the fresh paint. Once again, nice cupboard door there, and nicely painted bedroom. The toilets will both come out, and we'll get new toilets. And the bathroom, we've decided to redesign and get rid of the bath altogether. It was a shower over bath, so we're going to move the plumbing from this wall here over to that one and just have a shower and a vanity along this wall, so that when you walk into the bathroom it actually feels spacious instead of a small space where you're trying to fit a lot in. So the bedrooms will be carpeted, and the rest of the unit will have vinyl planks. So it's going to look beautiful in a few weeks' time, but for now we're making nice progress. You can see out here that we've got rid of the old rotten alcinite sheets off the pergola. So we'll just be painting this and putting on some new shade cloth and cleaning up the garden area. We've had all the brick pavers and slabs outside high pressure cleaned. So things are starting to look and feel very clean, which is lovely. All right, until the next video, I'll see you then. Bye.